For 113 years, the Coldwell Banker brand has been something unique in the world of real estate. We've been a bright and shining star, blazing with passion, ingenuity, and an unparalleled commitment to excellence. We've been the trusted North Star that guides people home. And we've been the home to exceptional agents that are the very best in the world, which is why we felt it was time that our mark, our logo, our brand identity, better symbolized and reflected who we are and what we stand for. The star that lights the way. The star that attracts the brightest. The star that guides us to where we want to be. Coldwell Banker Real Estate has been the star of the real estate universe for more than 100 years. And now we have a fresh, new image that will help us leave our mark for the next 100.